Install the silicon pad. Install the screw pillar. Fix the screw pillar by the tongs. Install this screw pillar. Here's a very small arrow. Install the screw beside the arrow. Install on the door. Fix it by the screws. Look, the screw is very long. You can adjust the length by the tongs. How to do it? Watch me. Here's the tongs. Cut the screw to the correct size. Okay, look, this length. Cut it according to your door thickness. Now, install the pin on the back side of the door lock. Look, the pin is very long. You must adjust the pin, the length, cut it shorter. Okay, done. Install the pin here. Here's the small part. Okay, connect the wire. And now insert. Okay, here is a spring. Insert the spring into the square hole, inside the square hole. Here we go. Insert the pin inside this hole, the cylinder pin inside this hole, and the square spindle inside the square hole. There are three holes need to go inside. Okay, finish. Now install the battery. Install the screen.